Welcome to Connie's. Today we have 2013 Mercedes-Benz GL450. This vehicle come in for hard start. Take forever, look. Okay, so I got my OBD2 scan tools right here, connected. The key on. So we're gonna read storage codes. Okay, so the issue, hard start, take forever to start. This is the issue. P0016 camshaft position sensor, bank 1, sensor 1. So we're gonna locate that sensor and replace that sensor, and we check the car after the replacement. So again, so I'm gonna start. Look. So this is the vehicle, is hot start, and we already shared the codes. This, when you start the vehicle, take forever to start. Okay, so I'm gonna just share this information. This is, you stay in the front of the vehicle, okay, right here. Right side was my hand, was the oil cup. This is bank 1. Driver side here, this is bank 2, where is the coolant or ABS pump. So I make a little drawing, that way it's make it simple understand it. So this vehicle coming for a hard start. We scan it, I get a code P0016 for a camshaft position sensor A. Okay, so each side have 2 sensors, all the same part number, so total 4 sensor. So talking about the bank 1 right side, the top one is the sensor A, the bottom one sensor B. Okay, so intake and exhaust. So in the other side, same thing, top one sensor A, bottom sensor 2. Okay, and this is 2013 GL. From 2007 and up, I believe the same engine, V8. So let's start working. Okay. First of all, we're gonna move this clip, this couple clip. Okay, I'm gonna move this out of the way. Okay, so this is the top one, is a sensor A, bank 1 sensor A. It's a bank 1 this side, right side, bank 1 sensor A. Bank 1 sensor B, right here, the lower one. Okay, sensor B, sensor A. Okay, now, and I ordered a new one. I have a new one, so I did get it from Mercedes. Right here, I'm gonna show the part number after. So, okay, so it is there. The part number right here, but you cannot see it. We'll share that. So, okay, this is the tools. You take it out. You can lose this, just tiny bit. Okay, so I take it out by my hand, and this is a little silver click. Back it up with something like this, then you take the harness out. The little silver click is a lock. When you put it back in, you just push it back in. Oh, you see this? See, leaking oil inside the harness, so the sensor is bad. it's just like a wear and tear. So this is all. I mean, this vehicle have 163,000 miles. I do not blame it, so it's still working. So take the sensor out. I mean, if you have a vehicle you don't want to sell it or something, I recommend you do 4 of them. So we're just doing the one is broken now. See this? It's so it's the same sensor. Okay, let's clean here. Okay, it's gonna get some grease here on the O-rings. Just get some grease. See, there's a grease here. Okay. Okay. Little grease. That way it's. So I'm gonna clean this here. Okay. So like I said, new one, old one. Gonna go in. See by hand. I'm gonna put this back. This is aluminum, the block, so the valve cover, just do not over tight it, just by hand tight. Even this one hand, okay? So now, you see the oil inside this harness? We're gonna clean it up, okay? If you have brake cleaner, we'll do it. I'm gonna find the brake cleaner. There's a brake cleaner. Just clean up. Okay. Now it's a little dry. So I recommend you change the oil after this job, you know. So, nice and clean. See the click? You just put this back. Okay. So we're gonna put this. This is another, just push click on. Okay, and I'm sure I'm gonna change the oil. I mean, I don't want to leave it like this because it seems dirty. I mean, look. Okay, let's start it up. I still have my scan tools here. Again, this is the code. Okay, camshaft position, bank 1 sensor A. So let's try it again. This is beautiful Mercedes. Okay. There you go.
The military moment. And just yesterday, the Secretary of the Air Force.
Okay, this is all set. Now I'm gonna clear the check engine lights. Clear. Yes, release. Yes. Okay. A little clear. Okay. Yes. Just waiting for clear. The wheel is done, look. So that's what we're waiting for. Just wait here. No more check engine light. You're gonna start it. Start right up. One more time. Wow. This little sensor caused a lot of trouble. Look. One more time. Thank you for watching. I hope my video is helpful for any Mercedes owner. It's a similar problem for all the Mercedes. They have two camshaft. Wow. Thank you for watching Kenny's shop. I'll be happy more than help. Leave comment down below. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, I can answer you. Thank you for watching.